Distribution management is the backbone of the supply chain, ensuring products move efficiently from manufacturer to customer. It covers warehousing, inventory, and transportation, each step crucial for getting the right product to the right place at the right time. Think of it as the business's circulatory system. If it fails, everything else suffers. Effective distribution connects production to the end consumer. Companies must decide where to store inventory, how to transport goods, and how to track orders. A well-designed distribution network gives companies a competitive edge, allowing them to respond quickly to market changes. The challenge is balancing high service levels with the need to control costs. Ultimately, distribution management is about meeting customer expectations while keeping operations lean. In today's fast-paced world, efficient distribution is essential for survival. The goal? Deliver value to customers and maintain profitability. That's why distribution management is at the heart of every successful business. Effective distribution starts with precise order processing, capturing every detail accurately to avoid costly mistakes. Automated systems like order management software reduce errors and speed up the process. Next is inventory management, and warehousing companies must know exactly what's in stock and where it's located. Order picking follows often the most labor-intensive step, where products are selected and packed for shipment. Proper packing protects goods and prepares them for transport. Transportation is the next major step, often the most expensive. Companies choose between trucks, trains, planes, or ships based on distance, urgency, and shipment size. The right mode balances cost and delivery speed. The final mile, delivery to the customer, is critical for satisfaction. Sometimes products are returned, so reverse logistics must be efficient and customer-friendly. A clear returns process builds trust and loyalty. Each step, from order to delivery and returns, must be tightly managed. Technology streamlines the process, but human oversight ensures quality. The goal is seamless movement from warehouse to customer. Every detail matters. A single error can disrupt the entire chain. Fast, accurate, and reliable distribution keeps customers happy and businesses competitive. Companies that excel at these steps set the standard in their industry. Distribution is more than logistics, it's a promise kept to the customer. The journey from order to delivery defines the customer experience. Mastering these steps is the foundation of distribution success. In a world of rising expectations, flawless execution is non-negotiable. Every package delivered right, every time, is a win for the brand. That's the power of effective distribution management. It's the engine that drives business growth. Cost analysis is the key to smart distribution management. Even small order processing costs add up. Errors multiply expenses through reshipping and returns. Investing in better technology reduces mistakes and saves money long-term. Warehousing costs include storage, insurance, and labor. Analyzing these helps businesses optimize space and reduce waste. Transportation is usually the biggest expense. It's not just about freight rates. Fuel, labor, and extra fees all matter. Cost analysis can reveal savings, like consolidating shipments or adjusting delivery schedules. The last mile is expensive, sometimes half the total shipping cost. Innovations like local hubs or customer pickups can cut these costs. Returns management is another hidden expense. Sometimes it's cheaper to let customers keep low-value items than pay for return shipping. Every step offers opportunities to save, if you know where to look. Smart cost analysis turns distribution from a drain into a driver of profit. The best companies use data to make every dollar count. To optimize distribution, start with technology. Warehouse and transportation management systems boost efficiency and cut costs. Use forecasting to balance inventory. Too much ties up cash, too little risks stockouts. Safety stock helps for high-demand items. Just-in-time works for slow movers. Collaborate with suppliers and carriers for better rates and service. Share forecasts to help partners plan and deliver on time. Strong relationships across the supply chain create resilience and flexibility. Track key performance indicators like order accuracy and on-time delivery. Regular reviews highlight areas for improvement. Set clear targets and measure progress to drive continuous improvement. Optimize routes, negotiate rates, and adjust inventory as needed. Every tweak can boost efficiency and save money. The goal: a distribution system that's fast, reliable, and cost-effective. Continuous improvement keeps you ahead of the competition. Mastering distribution means happier customers on time. Accurate deliveries build trust and loyalty. Efficient distribution cuts waste, lowers costs, and boosts profits. It gives companies the agility to enter new markets and respond to change. A strong distribution network is a strategic advantage in any industry. Better planning and analysis turn logistics into a source of value, not just a cost. Companies that excel here grow faster and withstand disruptions. The result? More revenue, higher margins, and a stronger brand. Distribution management isn't just logistics, it's a competitive edge. In today's market, it's the difference between thriving and falling behind. Make distribution your secret weapon for long-term success.